Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got over at CVS for the week and how I was able to get all of these items completely free. So I will walk you through each of the deals step by step, and then I'll also show you how I put it together to use my $6 off a $30 purchase coupon that I got in my email this past week. Also, this starts the ExtraCare Extra Thanks event. So for like 2 weeks, we are gonna get a freebie in the app every single day, but you have to go that day to grab your freebie. My store told me that they will not be doing rain checks for these items. That might vary by store, but that's just what my store told me. Today, Sunday, is when I'm filming this. I shopped Walgreens and CVS today. Today, the freebie is the little first aid, I don't want to say kit because there's nothing inside of it. It's a bag. It's $3.99, but when you clip that free first aid kit coupon, it's going to take $3.99 off at the register, making it completely free. So pop into your app each day, see what the freebie is. If it's something you want, you can literally go to CVS, just buy that item. You'll have a zero balance at the register. You don't have to buy anything else if you don't want to. A zero balance is totally okay at CVS. So that will be going on for the next couple of weeks, starting with Sunday. Now, another deal I want to tell you about, but I did not do, I just had the products already at the house, so I want to show you this. It's the Garnier Fructis. These are 2 for $7. Now, if you get newspaper coupons, there is a $3 off 2 coupon in this week's Save insert. So you would pay $4, get back $2 at ExtraCare box, making your final cost $2 or just $1 each. Now, I do get newspaper coupons, but for some reason on Sunday, my area doesn't get the Save insert. They don't get that until like midweek. So normally it's not until like Wednesday or Thursday that the Save inserts pop up. So I'm assuming if it happens for me that way, it might happen to other people as well. So you might go back for that later in the week when you see that coupon pop up. There were so many great grocery deals this week, and I don't even have all of them here to show you, but look in the ad, look in your store, tons of products for $1.99, like Pop-Tarts and cereal bars, cereal, fruit snacks. I mean, so many things at $1.99 that by itself, no coupons, is cheaper than what I could get at my grocery store. The deals that I did grab were these Annie's fruit snacks. These are normally like $6 a box or something. They're on sale for $1.99. It's an item that I grabbed to help get me to the $30 when I got $6 off. So I'll tell you how all of that works out here in just a minute. But the Cheerios deal is worth mentioning because I know a lot of people love Honey Nut Cheerios. These are $1.99 per box. Buy 2 boxes, there's $1 off 2 coupon. So you'll pay $2.98. But then I bought a rebate for 25 cents back on each of them. So I got an additional 50 cents back on Ibotta, making my final cost $2.48 for both boxes or $1.24 each. Now, if you have the $4 off a $15 breakfast purchase, and you have some of the $1 off 2 coupons that were on the back of the boxes not too long ago, you could buy like 8 boxes of cereal, use the 5 off 15, use 4 of the $1 off coupons, and get an amazing deal stocking up on cereal for the week. But I did not choose to do it that way. I just bought the 2 boxes. Now, the Kraft Mac and Cheese is 3 for $3.33. Now, that is more than what I would consider a stock-up price or a grocery store price for Kraft Mac and Cheese, but I promise I bought it in a way that makes sense when I use that 6 off 30 coupon. Now, anyone can do this deal on the Colgate Toothpaste. These are 2 for $7.98. There is a $7 digital coupon, making it 98 cents for both of them or just 49 cents each. No ExtraCare box, that's just what the price is. Of course, we're not gonna pay for toothpaste. I'm gonna roll that into a bigger transaction to get it for free. Now, the Good Line, I had 2 different CRTs for this, and I was curious how it would play out. I had an $8 off a 2 Good Line shave purchase, as well as a $4 off any one. Now, these were $9.79 at my store, but they're also buy one, get one free. So how it worked out, $9.79, buy one, get one free. So total price $9.79 for both. The $8 off 2 came off. The $4 off 2 automatically adjusted down to 68 cents. So I paid $1.11 for both of these, or just 55 cents each. No idea why it went to 68 cents exactly. If you know, let me know down in the comments. But I thought $1.11 for both of these items. Great, great price on men's razors. Now, these Frutellas, these were a better deal last week, but still a decent deal this week. These are $3.39. There is a shop kick offer for $2.70 back, making it just 69 cents. Okay, so let me tell you how I used my $6 off a $30 purchase. I purchased the razors, okay? They are buy one, get one free, so we can't count that $9.79 twice towards that $30. We can only count it one time. So the $9.79 from the razors, I got the 2 boxes of cereal, the 3 mac and cheese, the Colgate, the fruit snacks, and then the Frutella, okay? All of that put together is $30.46. The 6 off 30 came off first, then the 7 off 2 Colgate, the 8 off 2 on the Good Line, the 68 cents on the Good Line. I paid, and then the $1 off 2 on the cereal, if I didn't mention that. So I paid $7.78, okay? And then I got back the $2.70 on Shopkick for the Frutella, and the 50 cents on Ibotta for the cereal, making my final cost for all of those items $4.58. So great deal for all of that for $4.58. Now, when I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, I was 1 offer away from hitting my Weekend Warrior bonus, getting $5 back on Ibotta. So because I wanted that $5 back, which made everything free, I went ahead and went into my Ibotta app and I purchased a gift card with my Ibotta earnings, because when you do that, that counts as an offer. So instead of going back to the store to buy something and using my gas to go back to the store to buy something to get that $5, I just purchased a $20 Walmart gift card with my Ibotta earnings. Okay, so nothing came out of my bank account. And that counted as 1 more offer, getting me to completing the Weekend Warrior bonus, getting a $5 back, which made everything completely free. So amazing deal, and that's how I make sure I'm not spending any money out of my bank account. Because at the register, I said I paid $7.78. I used a $5 ExtraCare buck, so I had $2.78 left, and I paid that balance using a CVS gift card I purchased on my Fetch Rewards app. So literally nothing came out of my bank account. I did purchase the $20 gift card in Ibotta, but then I got another $5 back in Ibotta for that bonus. And then the next time I go to Walmart, I will check out paying with that Ibotta gift card. So again, that's just how I choose to do it, so that no money is coming out of my bank account and I'm still able to get groceries for my family. Now, if you have any questions about any of this, don't hesitate to drop them down below. I tend to find more deals at Walgreens than I do at CVS. I think I am just a better Walgreens shopper than I am a CVS shopper. So definitely check out my Walgreens video that I posted on Sunday. If you are finding other amazing deals over at CVS, please let me know down in the comments, and hopefully some more good ones will pop up as the week goes on. Hope y'all have a great week. Thanks.